Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Mimi from BabyBus. So if you don't know, Mimi is the cat character, but since this is a festive season, today I'm going to draw Mimi as Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. We're going to start with the eye. Mimi has very cute kitten eyes, so it's just 4 different circles inside each other, with each circle smaller than the other. That's it. That's Mimi's eyes, and then the nose and the mouth, and now the shape of the hat. And here I'm going to be a bit careful because we need to leave spaces for the antlers of the reindeer costume that Mimi is wearing. So I'm going to start with the hat first, and also some Christmas decoration on the hat. That's it. The leaves doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, just have fun while you're doing it. I guess that's the more important things. And now the ears, so it's cat ears and the antlers side by side. That's what makes it very festive. The antlers of Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And now we're drawing the bells that Rudolph usually wear on his neck, and we're wearing and now the arms. It's basically a coat because it's winter and winter is cold, so Mimi is wearing a coat, but the coat is in the shape of her fur, so it's cute. And now more bells here. There are 5 more bells. And then the hem of the coat that Mimi is wearing. And this is the fur color of Mimi. This is not a costume, but actually her fur color. So one is yellow, the other is brown. We're going to color that in the next video, but for now we're just going to draw the line for the border. And now the trousers and the shoes. The shoes is also red, even though Rudolph are not wearing shoes, but Mimi is wearing shoes, and the shoes are red to make it matches the color of her nose, I guess. And that's the tail of Mimi's kitten tail. And I'm going to add some shade to her eyes to make it pop, to make her look more alive, and the other one as well. And now the last part is, of course, the outline. Just carefully trace around the outer outline of the character. Slowly, you don't have to be in a hurry for this, just very slowly. And again, slowly on the outside. And there we have it. Mimi from BabyBus as Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I'm going to add some more white in the eyes, just like I usually do, to make the eyes more pop. And we're done. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and follow me for the coloring video. Bye!